Hi everyone, so it's finally day 2 here in Munnar, and I just got out of my room. I have to change to a 6 dorm now because of the booking and all that. So yeah, I've packed my things up, just got a shower recently. It's around 12 right now. I'm already late for things, so let's just go slow to the city and cover up whatever spots we can for today. So yeah, let's have brunch first, change the room, and then head out for the bus. Hi guys, so we are at Zostel Munnar right now, and it was quite a journey to get up till here. But yeah, one of our friends is switching from the hosteler to Zostel for today, so we just came to accompany him, and then we'll be heading to waterfalls. Yeah, let me just give you a brief view of Zostel. Good complex, and we have good views from here. I think that's the only plus point I've seen so far. Let's just try and go upstairs and see what we can find. So guys, we are at the last 100 meters towards the waterfall, and it's pretty weird out here. No one is here. I don't know. So yeah, still a bit skeptical about the plan. It's already around 4:40, and given that we leave by 5:15, it'll take us until 6:45, I think, to get upstairs. I don't know. It's gonna be a while to get to the place for sure.
Like Jeera water is there, right?
Yeah. So we are drinking pink water over here, and basically some flower seeds are added to this. So yeah, these people have been the host for us. Awesome. So yeah guys, that's the waterfall. Sadly we won't be going near it because we are already getting too late. But yeah, we get the feels of it, I think, already. So let's just head back, and then we'll see how the plan goes. Okay, so we are climbing upstairs, and trust me, it's a nightmare. We only climbed up till like 150 or 200 meters so far, and I think all of us are down. Hi guys, so we are finally gonna leave Zostel now and head back to the hosteler. So it's already around it's around 7 already. So maybe we'll grab something to eat and just head out. So guys, it's around 9:10 p.m. right now, and we are headed to the hosteler, and it's still around 25 kilometers from here. The moon looks good. It is getting pretty cold out here. We were just worried that we'll be able to carry forward with this travel for the next 1 hour or so. Yeah, let's see. I'll give you an update if we make it out there alive.
everyone, so it's day 3 here at the Hosteller in Munnar, and I just got freshened up somewhere around 12:30. Yeah, I mean, so not planning for visiting a lot of places today. I had enough yesterday of the dose of trying to visit, but yeah, again the journey, I have to go to the city somehow. So yeah, 50 kilometers journey has to be done. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, it's a Saturday today. Tomorrow will be my last day over here. So I should probably get the most out of Munnar today. Let's see.
Hi everyone, so we'll be heading to the city for now. I don't think I'll be covering a lot of the visuals today because yeah, I mean, yesterday we had loads of that. Back in a scooty, heading to the city. Hi everyone, so we are visiting the tea plantation here. It came midway to our journey from the Hosteller to the city at Munnar. So yeah, it looks pretty amazing. We paid 20 rupees per person for this, and a lot of families are already over here. It looks beautiful. I don't know what this place has to offer to us. Yeah, so Ankesh will be explaining to us about the tea plantation. So yeah, how is like the tea formed over here?
Like, see, these are the petals basically. So once the petals get like mature enough to have that, some seasons are there for them. So once they pluck the petals, they send to the factories and all for the other quality, like for other brands and everything. Then from there they make the tea process.
So it's just leaves, and they crush those leaves to get the tea powder or whatever.
Seed, basically, you can say.
Okay. So which kind of like a plant would this be, or a tree?
That I have no idea. Little bit of.
So this one says I don't know.
Area. Seed, seed.
4190 bushes. How do they count this? That's pretty interesting. Wow. Let's just go. And are there like different kinds of teas as well over here, or it's just one kind?
No, different kinds of teas. If you see these plant and this plant, these are different, right?
Yeah, I can see the visual difference. I think we are gonna smell like tea tomorrow. Hi everyone, so we are back at the Hosteller now, and it's around 9 p.m. and soon the bonfire will be starting. And yeah, I mean, I don't think we had much content for today because we just went to the city, and I didn't want to capture the roads again and again. But yeah, most of our day was spent in traveling, first to the city and then to the dam, then coming back, and then just had some great food and all that. So yeah, I'll just get freshened up and then we'll head down for the bonfire. Hi everyone, so we are at the Munnar city again, and we have just dropped our scooty, and most probably we'll be roaming around for a bit and nibbling on some snacks. I think I was trying to buy some cashews. So in Kerala they have very big cashews with them, and my mom wanted some cardamom and some stuff like that, some spices as well. But yeah, the rates are a bit much. Maybe I'm in the area where the things are a bit costly in the market side. Let's just explore, go to a few places and then decide whether we should be purchasing anything from here or not. The weather is fine, and yeah, I mean, I'm just waiting for Ankit to make the payments and stuff, and then we'll go and grab something to eat. Hi everyone, it's currently around 6 p.m. over here, and we are in the bus currently to Bangalore, and this is going to be the end of the trip. One regret which we had was that we had to travel all the way from the hostel to the city just to get to the bus, but now we see that the bus is heading towards the hostel. Basically it's going to cross the hostel and then move to the place. So we had to do this because we had to return the scooty. But yeah, other than that, let's see how things go, and yeah, let me catch you up maybe at like a midway